convert an Excel file into a Word file. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert your Excel spreadsheet into Word using this simple and easy technique. So in this technique we will be utilizing an online file converter in order to convert the Excel file into a Word file. So all you will need to do is first simply open any particular web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox. Just open any web browser and simply search for Excel to Word converter and then hit the enter button. Now as here you can see, you have a number of different websites. You can use any search result of your choice. So let's go with this online to pdf.com, where it says convert Excel to Word online and free. So simply click onto this website and you will see an interface like this. Now from here you need to select your Excel file. Simply click onto the select file button and then from here you need to choose any Excel file. So for example, let's say this Excel file right here, and then you need to click onto this open button. Now here you can see that the Excel file has been successfully uploaded, and then you can also choose another file if you want. Now it says convert to Word 2007-2024.docx. Now once you are done with this, you can then scroll down and click onto this convert button. Once you click onto this convert button, it says that the file is being uploaded, and once the file will be uploaded, it will be processed automatically and the download will also start automatically when the process is finished. So here you can see, as the file has been successfully processed, it has automatically downloaded the book1.docx. So let's open it and see if it has worked or not. So and here you can see that my Excel file has been successfully converted into a Word file. So that's how easily you can utilize free online tools in order to convert your Excel file into a Word file. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.